Here at S&B Roofing, here at 7026 Stone Ridge in Douglasville, Georgia. Right now, we're going to come do a repairability test for this shingle here. But as you can see, just looking at the condition of this shingle, it's very much unrepairable. So we're going to start the repairability test. Damage shingle. Replacement of our roofing snake, so we don't have to lift the shingle so high. Find out where All right, so we successfully installed our shingle. And as you can see, while doing so, we were getting a lot of granules coming off and creasing. As you can see here. So after doing our repairability test, we have the shingles damaged, shingles here, and we have creasing here. Therefore, failing the repairability test.